Would you like to learn how to develop highly accurate financial forecasts and create powerful financial models? Well, then our Certified Chartered Financial Forecasting, Budgeting, and Modeling course is for you. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys. Together with my faculty director, we're going to show you how you can develop highly accurate financial forecasts and create sophisticated financial models that can help you improve your budgeting plans. Here's what you'll learn and all of the benefits to enrolling in our certified program today. To begin our course, you'll learn with hands-on experience how to improve your financial forecasts using powerful forecasting techniques. Next, you'll discover advanced functions in Excel that can help you construct powerful financial models. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn about new budgeting frameworks with proven techniques that can help you manage your company's financials. By the end of the program, you'll be awarded with the Chartered Financial Forecasting, Budgeting, and Modeling designation. This will help you boost your career and professional credentials. Globally demanded and recognized, this designation will show that you have attained expertise in developing highly reliable financial forecasts and modeling skills. What's more, this designation is industry recognized with lifelong validity. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by enrolling in our course today. It's time to take action.